Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this JBL Flip 4 Bluetooth speaker which has come from Pune. So I got this speaker because the battery backup is very bad in this JBL Flip 4 Bluetooth speaker. So let me tear this down and replace the battery. So alright, I have taken out the speaker. So this is the speaker. So I am not sure what is this. There are a few wires here. So let's see by connecting the charger what happens first. So red light is blinking, it's not turning on. So alright, now let's tear down and see what is the exact problem in the battery, whether voltage is there or not. Let's see. So let me take out the mesh first here. So these two wires are there. So first, to tear this down, we have to take out this. This side. So alright, I've taken out the mesh. Now we have to open the screws, but there are no 4 screws should be there here. So there are no 4 screws, so I think this will come out just like that. So alright, this has come. So this is already broken here. So I'm going to keep that separately. Just by twisting this, the base radiators will come. You can see the mark here. This is locked, this side is open. So just twisting like this, it should open like this. Now slowly taking this out. Now the other side. Similarly, there will be markings here. So that side it is open and this side it is locked. So I'm going to turn that side. So that's it. This will come out. So now you can see the condition here. The condition is, instead of battery, the 2 wires has been taken out just to connect the power supply of 4.2 volts to use the speaker. So now I am going to take out these 2 screws here to replace the battery. I am going to show you. So this is the battery I am going to install, and I have these batteries for sale. If you want to buy this battery, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. This is compatible for JBL Flip 4. This is 3.7 volts 3000 mAh battery. So this is for sale. If you want to buy, please do message on the above WhatsApp number and check the availability of stock. So if it is available, it can be shipped to any part of India, and it will be shipped from Bangalore here. So alright, now I am going to take out these 2 screws to take out the battery here. So let me take out the cover of this battery. So the battery socket has been pulled out like this. So now I am going to take out this battery. So taking out this battery is a bit challenging, very difficult. So let me take this out, because the battery is bulged, the thickness of the battery is more. So this will hold the plastic body inside. So it will be very difficult to take out. So we have to try we have to put some extra effort to take this off. So I'm going to take this off and come here. So before taking out the battery, I want to take out this terminal and install our battery and check whether the speaker works or not. So I'm just going to install our battery here. So it has been installed now. I'm going to turn on here. Yeah, speaker is working perfectly. So the problem is only battery. So I'm going to take this out, battery. So further we have to take out the old battery to install our new battery. This is bulged, as I said, so it is a bit difficult. So now you can see I have taken out the motherboard. The battery is heavily bulged here. You can see the plastic, this should be flat, but it has become as hump over here. So it is stuck here. So from this side we can push. So there is hump here. It is very difficult to push. Otherwise we have to take out this very carefully, because if the voltage is there, current is there, means possibilities are there to catch fire. So alright, now I am going to take this off. I have removed everything here. So taking this battery is a bit challenging still. So somehow I will manage to take this out. So finally I have managed to take this out. This was very much bulged. So this is the condition of the battery. So lots of work. So to take out this battery, this is completely bad. So now you can see nothing is there. I have to reinstall everything in this speaker. First of all, let me install the other things, then I will install the battery here. Sliding in the motherboard back to its place. So now I have to connect other things here, all the cables, this connector, main control board. So let me do that. Back to its place. Connecting the mic. Connected the two flex cables. Further I am going to connect here aux cable. Now I have installed this charging board, auxiliary board. So just I am going to tighten the screws here. Actually we should not leave like this, because of that the battery bulges too much. So once the battery backup is less or it is dead, then immediately if you change the battery, then we can take out the battery very easily. Very less struggle we have to do compared to this. This has been left for very long time, that is the reason the battery is bulged enormously. So fine. Now control board, auxiliary board, everything is connected. Just we have to connect the wires inside this, which is difficult to show. Just we have to connect these two sockets, actually the three sockets. So let me connect that and come here immediately. So I have installed these two cables here as well, as I said earlier, from the aux cable and the charging port. So finally the BT antenna is also connected. Now simply we have to install the speaker and battery, and let's check. Lots of things I have did. So I want to make sure that the speaker is still working. So just connecting the battery from externally and turning on the speaker. So speakers are not connected yet, so no sound will come. Just if it is working, then it will turn on. Okay, fine, cheers. So this is started working perfectly. So alright, now let's put the battery in the housing. There is no battery here now, we have removed. And we will connect the speaker here as well. So finally I am installing the speaker as well. There is so much of dust over the speaker driver, so I am going to clean that after tightening the screws here. So if you want me to replace the battery of this type of speakers like JBL Flip 3, Flip 4, Flip 2, Flip 5, so please don't forget to do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. You can send it to me through speed post courier from any part of India. If you have pin code, shipped from anywhere to here, and it can be shipped back to your place again from this place to any part of India. So alright, now speaker has been installed. Now let me clean this little bit, because this has been dirt here. So now speaker has been cleaned, so it has been installed. Now finally the time has come to install the battery here. So I am going to show you how to install the battery. Now simply by sliding here, so you can see now how easily it goes. So this is how it should come out if the battery is flat, but that was bulged, because of that it is not coming out. It was not coming out. So now you can see very easily this goes and comes out. Actually when that battery was new, that would have been behaved like this only. So alright, now simply I am going to connect the cable here, and just let me check once again. You can see, so it has started working perfectly. So now I have to put this battery holder. So like this I have to position, and I have to install the two screws. Let me do that. So done. Battery holder also I have installed. Now it's time to install the base radiators. So let me install that. Just we have to twist like this, that's it. So this has been installed. Similarly we have to install like this side as well. Just position it and lock it like this, that's it. So you can see now speaker will in, so drivers will be in action if I press the base radiator. So everything is perfect. So let me have a quick demo here. Speaker is connected. Now let me play the song. So everything is perfect. Just let me check the charging functionality here as well. You can see it has started charging, so almost completely full. Fifth light is blinking. Once it is full, this will turn off. So charging functionality is also fine. So just it's time to put the covers back. So finally speaker has been installed. So alright, if you have any speaker like this JBL Flip 3, Flip 4, which if you feel replacing the battery is difficult, please don't hesitate to do message to this above WhatsApp number so that I can replace behalf of you. I am located here in Bangalore, so people around Bangalore or around in Karnataka, if you want to visit here to my warehouse, you can come and replace the batteries here directly. If you are from other states, other cities, other villages, anywhere in India, you can send it to me through speed post courier, so it will be easy for us and it is cheaper. You can send it to me here in Bangalore. I can replace the battery behalf of you and I can send it back to you. So many people are sending here to my place, but I create very less videos because repeated content will be of no use. So I create very rare videos, but I get so many speakers through YouTube. I get so many speakers from the subscribers, so I am glad and I want to thank them all. So alright, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioWiz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioWiz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.